The famous farottos, guys. We made it. But guys, I think I'm taking these to go. Yeah, because I'm just beat. Yeah, I certainly am beat for today, guys. And basically, when I'm tired, I don't want to cycle, especially in the dark. In a city I don't know very well, because strange things can happen. Right, so let's park. Oh. Okay, let's just park. Let's do this. Yeah, this is like a fine dining restaurant. I just saw that, and that's why, guys, I mean, there's a sports bar in there. There is a sports bar in there, but it looks very upscale. I don't know if they're gonna want me to sit there and talk about their food. But anyways, guys, let's quickly grab some to go. Yeah. We'll eat them at the hotel. I'm sure there's a microwave somewhere, so I'll heat them up. But the famous farottos. Come on, let's go in and get some. No matter which way we try this, I'm a wee bit too far. Alright guys, so we're sort of tight up here. Let's go get the experience of, yeah, this is too fine for us, but there is a drop-off pickup area here. And I've still got two perfectly good batteries. So that should take us all the way to the hotel. I hopes, me thinks, me hopes. All right. All right. Oh, the old let's see how much battery life we got left. It's still recording, guys, but I'm certainly gonna fire up the Hero 12. Storytellers. All right, so without further ado, guys, it's already saying battery low. No, I just charged it. Anyways, guys, welcome back to Farotos. Oh, this place, I don't know how long it's been here, but let's go find out. And let's check out the whole toasted ravioli. I hope this is the place. But yeah, let's go check out the experience. Hey. Buen dia, buen dia.
How's it going?
Hey, how are you, man?
Good, how can I help you?
I pedaled all the way here from Chicago.
Oh,
I hear you guys have toasted raviolis.
We do have toasted ravioli, yeah.
Oh, man.
Do you want to order some to go?
Yeah, dude, please. I thought I was gonna hang around, but I want to make it back to my hotel. It's downtown.
Oh, yeah, gotcha.
How many miles is it to downtown?
Probably like 5 to 10, depending on what
Oh,
part.
it's not bad.
No, what part of downtown?
Like north downtown, just north of the stadium.
Stadium, probably about like 10 miles.
Oh, that's not too bad. That's